Good morning, kids.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today I will teach you how to write an essay. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So look at this. What you are watching now? These are rose flowers. What?
Rose flowers.
Good, very good. So kids, today I will teach you to write an essay about rose flower, or you may also write this essay on the topic my favorite flower. Okay? Do you get me? Before going to write an essay, we must know about the parts consist in an essay. Do you get me?
Yes, ma'am.
There are three main parts to write an essay. There are three main parts to write an essay. What are those? The first one is introduction. What? Introduction. Okay.
Yes,
So let us see. Let us see what we have to write in an introduction. Okay.
ma'am.
In introduction, you write rose is a beautiful and attractive flower. If you are going to write about the rose, the topic rose, you have to write that rose is a beautiful and attractive flower. And if you are going to write my favorite flower, write about my favorite flower, then you add another point to the introduction. Rose is a beautiful and attractive flower and it is my favorite flower. Okay? Then it comes second part, body of an essay. What? Body of an essay. First part of an essay is introduction. Middle part is body. I am not talking about human's body. I am talking about the body of an essay. And the last is the conclusion. Last one is conclusion. So there are three main parts in an essay. So we have to write the body of an essay. Point number 2. Rose. We are writing about rose. Okay? First part gone. First point gone. It is the turn for the second point. Point number 2. It comes in many colors. Point number 3. Its name comes from the Latin word rosa. Okay? Rosa. 4. Point number 4. Rose flowers are used in various purposes like decoration in ceremonies, used in perfumes and in medicinal purposes. Point number 5. Generally, red and pink roses are popularly used by people. Rose petals are very soft. Point number 6. Rose petals are very soft and full of fragrance. Okay, full of fragrance. Then point number 7. Rose flowers are of two types. One is wild and other is cultivated. Rose flowers are of two types. One is wild and other is cultivated. Point number 8. Wild roses usually have 5 petals. How many petals are there in a wild rose? 5 petals. Point number 9. Cultivated roses are of double or multi-petals. Multi-petals. So now it is the turn for third point of an essay, the conclusion. Introduction gone. Body gone. Now it's the time for the conclusion. Okay? Point number 10. If there is no rose flower in a garden, then it does not look good. Without a rose, the garden will not look good. Okay? So, the rose flower is the king of all flowers. This is the conclusion. If there is no rose flower in a garden, then it does not look good. So, the rose flower is the king of all flowers. In an essay, there are 3 parts. One is introduction. The middle one is point number 2 is body, and the third one is conclusion. So in introduction we have to give some knowledge about rose. What is a rose or what is your favorite flower? In body, we will describe the rose. We have to describe the rose regarding rose, or we have to describe regarding our favorite flower. And the third one is conclusion. Conclusion means why the flower is your favorite, or what is the importance of the flower. So here the importance of the flower is, if there is no rose flower in a garden, then it does not look good. So the rose flower is the king of all flowers.